feeling really hungry. This is a little bit dry. Could use some hydrogen peroxide. Let's go get some.
Oh shoot, I busted my knee. I gotta clean this. Where did I put my hydrogen peroxide?
I'll take that.
What the heck, man?
Let's see what happens when we add hydrogen peroxide to stuff around our house.
First, grab a paint tray so you can hold all your materials. First, we're going to put in a piece of glove, a piece of a plastic bag, try to make sure it gets in there, some dirt to test out, some yeast that you can activate, a piece of potato, a piece of wood, baking soda. All of these things are things you can find in your household.
Check out part 2 to see what reacts and what doesn't.